Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set your battery protection to basic, adaptive or maximum on your Galaxy S25 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen, then swipe down to access quick settings, then press on the settings icon. Once you're in the settings menu, just swipe down and find battery, press on battery, then turn on basic protection, then you want to tap on basic protection. From here, you can set the three modes. Basic, it will charge your phone until it's 100%. Once it stops at 100, it will stop charging. And once the battery drops below 95%, it will start charging again. And with adaptive, it will pretty much charge until stop charging at 80% while you're asleep and switch back to basic before you wake up. So the sleep time is based on when you use your phone and its usage patterns. And with maximum, it will just simply stop charging at 80%, but you can change it to when it stops at 85, 90 or 95. And if you want to switch over to basic. And there you go, swipe up to finish. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.